I have in your complaint that your name is Cole Chipman, also known as Kitty Cole. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
According to your complaint, you met the defendant in Aspen, Colorado. And shortly after that meeting, things happened as a result of which she owes you money and has retained some property. I have your counterclaim indicating that they owe this gentleman and this gentleman owe you money. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So why don't you tell me about that, Mr. Cole?
I met Sherry in Aspen. She came to Los Angeles shortly thereafter to see me. She came for 3 days. It ended up being 10 days. She had just moved to Scottsdale, so she asked my friend Danielle and I to go to Scottsdale like about 2 weeks later for an open house that she was having and to help her with her party. She was recently divorced, very upset, you know, didn't know anybody, the whole bit. She offered to take us to Scottsdale, pay for our trip there. Just before we left to go to Scottsdale, she asked if we could please rent a car because her new car had just blown up, apparently, and she was renting a limousine. And the limousine was too expensive, so if we would just rent a car, she'd reimburse us. So that's $350 for that.
You were staying at her house?
Yes, as she requested. We helped her with the party. We did the party. Then after the party,
What do you mean you did the party?
Are
you in the entertainment business?
A little bit.
What do you mean a little bit?
A little bit, meaning I'm a fundraiser. I do fundraiser for various AIDS charities as the character Kitty Cole. I ran for mayor 2 years ago of Palm Springs as a fundraiser for AIDS
Is that
charities.
how you earn a living?
No.
Well, what were you doing? I mean, quite frankly, the two of you don't look as if this would be a match made in heaven. I mean, it doesn't look like the kind of friendship that I would envision as resulting in a meeting at Aspen, quite frankly. I mean, what did you have in common with this lady?
We were company for a recent divorcee, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
I used to live in Aspen, and that was her first year there. So
let me ask you this question.
Yes, ma'am.
When you met her, were you outfitted as a man or a woman?
I was outfitted as a man.
Okay. And
hold up, did Judge Judy just say what I think she said? At 1:52, she straight up tells them, the two of you don't look as if this would be a match made in heaven. I mean, talk about reading the room. She's not holding back at all. You can see Kitty Cole trying to keep composed, explaining they were just company for a recent divorcee. But Judge Judy's face says it all. She's already sizing up this entire situation and wondering how these two ever became friends in the first place. The courtroom awkwardness is absolutely palpable here.
When you came to visit her and stayed in her house,
she asked us to dress up in drag and go out with her because she had remembered Kitty Cole from when I ran for mayor.
But other than dressing up and going out with her, when you were hanging around the house, were you dressed as a man or a woman?
As a man.
Okay. So when you came to court today, you decided to put on the lame.
Well, I had to show you why the other part of the case was relevant. This is a other part of the case.
Well, the other part of the case, you said, had to do, in addition to the $300, there's something about tickets that she promised to get you for an AIDS function.
Right.
And that she reneged on getting you those tickets, and you laid out money for a dress.
Right.
Is that the other part of the
Yes, ma'am.
lawsuit?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm unimpressed with that, but you can tell me about it.
Well, it's just because the Kitty Cole character goes to all the fundraisers and stuff like that as just sort of a, you know, celebrity personality, whatever you want to call it. I help as many AIDS charities as I can. So in order to go to all these events, as I cannot always afford $1,000 a week tickets or $500 a week tickets, I get people to donate money to the charity. In return, I either get a ticket from the charity or they give me a ticket.
Okay. So she promised she'd get you 2 tickets, and then she said, I'm not giving you the tickets.
Correct.
So why does she owe you money for that?
She owes me money because she said, I'll get you the 2 tickets. Now you have to go get something to wear to the event, and I want you to go as Kitty. And so go have something ready to wear to the event. So we...
That doesn't necessarily mean you go out and shop, get something new. Didn't you folks have anything in your closet that you could have worn?
Well, one of the things about Kitty is that I've never worn the same thing twice.
Listen, give me a break, will you please? All right, what else does she owe you?
She owes for the rental car. She has a pair. When we were at her house, we accidentally left a pair of important sunglasses to me.
Important. You said important. First you said they were Versace. She said she took them to the local Versace and they were $5 glasses that looked like Versace.
It says made in China on the side.
Well, where are the glasses?
Right.
Actually, they're in my purse.
Could I see them, please?
Absolutely.
Just a second. Stop everything. I got to see the...
Okay, this is where it gets wild. At 4:14, Kitty Cole drops this bombshell. I've never worn the same thing twice, and Judge Judy? She's not having it. Listen to her response at 4:17. Give me a break, will you please? But wait, it gets better. When Kitty mentions these important Versace sunglasses, Shari fires back saying they're actually $5 knockoffs made in China. The energy shifts completely at 4:38 when Judge Judy says stop everything. I've got to see the glasses. UKNO. Something dramatic is about to go down when a judge literally pauses the entire case to examine some sunglasses. The anticipation is killing me.
May I?
Are those the glasses?
Oh, yeah.
Are those the glasses, Bert?
Oh, yeah.
Could I see them,
Please. China, right here, China. Nothing by Versace is made in China. It's all made in Italy.
Well, you don't want them anyway, right?
No, I don't. I wear prescription.
Right. So, you can give these back to Mr. Cole. They're yours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Now, she's got some gemstones that she says you have in your possession.
No, ma'am, I don't.
What about these stones that you say
I
he
gave
had?
both of you numerous
No, don't talk to them.
fancy
Talk to
cut.
me.
I gave them gemstones.
You gave them to them.
Well, I lent them to them
Gave
if he
and lent is
wanted
two
to make a
different
ring.
things.
Cole called me and said, Sherry, I don't want these stones. I don't use color.
Wait, hold up. Did Judge Judy just expose those Versace sunglasses as fake in literally 4 seconds? Look at her face when she sees made in China on those glasses. She doesn't even hesitate. Nothing by Versace is made in China. It's all made in Italy. The way she just casually destroys the credibility of those sunglasses is legendary. You can see everyone in that courtroom realizing those designer shades are about as authentic as a $3 bill. This is why you don't mess around in Judge Judy's courtroom with fake designer stuff. She knows her fashion. The secondhand embarrassment is real right now.
Stones. All I use are diamonds. I'm giving these back to you. I was at the Mondrian. He goes, I'm sending these back to you. I
Is there
never got
anything-
them back.
Yeah, where are the stones?
In her passenger side of her bed at home.
Whose
What?
passengers?
I mean, my side of the bed in her house where we stayed, I left the stones and these little things called eye beads. She said there's some precious
No,
thing
you
that she
returned
has
the
so many
IDs
of
to
them.
the hotel.
Listen. Are you telling me that if she opens up this drawer in her house, she's going to find those stones?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
there's
And my
nothing in
friend
that drawer.
knows that
No.
I left them there because I didn't want them.
No.
I have no use for little colored rocks.
Okay,
And
well,
All right.
uh,
So
rocks,
there we go.
sapphires?
There we go. Hey,
I'm sorry.
you're claiming in your cross complaint they owe you for spa treatments. You say you took them to some fancy
Yes,
place
I
when they
did.
were in Arizona. You put them up in a hotel room. They promised to pay for their own meals and spa treatments.
Right.
Did you promise to pay for your own spa treatments?
No, ma'am.
Did you have spa treatments?
Yes, ma'am.
I have the bill from the hotel.
Well, tell me what the arrangement was.
That I was going to pay for the suite. We had a beautiful, huge, gorgeous suite. It was for like 2 days so we could relax and just enjoy
Who went
ourselves.
there?
Who?
Yeah.
Me,
3 of you?
Dean, yes.
Interesting group.
And they were supposed to. Well, you know what? When he's a man, he's a totally different person.
I
Okay, This is the moment that sends Judge Judy over the edge. Listen to how Kitty Cole dismisses those gemstones. I have no use for little colored rocks, rocks? Did she just call sapphires little colored rocks? Judge Judy's reaction is priceless. There we go. Rocks? Sapphires. You can literally hear the exasperation in her voice. And that hey is Judge Judy speak for you just messed up big time. The plaintiff immediately realizes the mistake and tries to backpedal with, I'm sorry, but the damage is done. This is what happens when you try to downplay evidence in court. Judy will call you out instantly.
Believe that.
I don't know this person.
I don't know this person either. Did you indicate at any time that you were going to reimburse her for the spa treatments? What kind of
Never.
treatments did you have?
I had a mud bath and a massage.
And facial.
Listen, have you ever done this sort of thing before?
No, and no favor
Yeah,
goes
Miss
unpunished.
Wyden, I would suggest you not do it again.
I think you're
Mr.
right.
Cole, you got your sunglasses back?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a happy life.
Thank you.
Your complaint is dismissed. Your counterclaim is dismissed. Next time, choose friends more carefully. I suggest that if you take people who you never met into your home, right?
Oh, no,
Listen
no.
to me.
Okay.
You take people you never met into your home. To me, you got to be a nut to give them gemstones that mean anything to you. Anything to you. To me, if you meet somebody that you never met before, and she invites you to her home, and you rent a car for $300, how long did you stay in her house?
7 days.
And I had a
6
limisin and a
days.
chauffeur that I took them in the whole time. I didn't need their
Please,
car.
I don't know what it is with you people. I think I've been in California too long.
I-
Case is dismissed. That's all.
Parties, I excuse you, may step out.